everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you are new, and I invite you to check out my channel and subscribe. Hit that notification bell also. I am continuing on in my journal for 2023, so I thought I would share this layout with you. So the first two, you could check them out if you haven't seen them already. I've been struggling to find a pen or a marker that would work on this washi tape, and that Posca pen worked perfectly. So I was glad I finally found a pen that would work. So this washi tape here, I'm going to be using today, along with this brown paper. It's like a masking paper. I actually got it at the paint store, and I got that whole roll, I believe, for $5. So I thought that was a good deal. So I am just going to tear up an organic shape of that brown paper and then ink it up, and then I'm going to glue it down in the bottom right hand corner. And I apologize, I did not have this journal in the full frame of the video, so I fixed that here in just a minute. So I hope everyone is doing well. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you've been up to or what you haven't been up to, how 2023 is treating you so far. So I'm just using my glue stick here. I'm going to glue that down in the bottom right hand corner. And I'm enjoying this so far. I have been journaling every day. I don't know if that'll continue. I seriously doubt it. But I'm not going to beat myself up about that. If that happens, I am just going to enjoy the process. And I'm enjoying this, so I have started working and making another journal, a mushroom journal, so make sure you check that video out. I did a live video making the cover. And here I am just putting a little bit of script stamping detail on that brown paper that I put down. Let me know, do you journal on the regular, or do you just like to do more of like art journaling or creative journaling? Let me know. I kind of like doing it all, but then I get kind of too overwhelmed, and there's so many things going on in my head that I end up doing nothing but watching Netflix. So I just finished watching Jenny and Georgia on Netflix, and that was really cute. I like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some of this Tim Holtz collage paper and add that to the page, and I'm going to layer it up on top of the brown paper there. I originally grabbed the Tim Holtz collage called Document, and I decided that I didn't want to use that one, so I grabbed this one, which is the birds and flowers one, botanical one. I thought that would look prettier on here. So I'm just going to kind of tear this up and get this laid down. So I thought I'd also put a little bird in the upper left hand corner. Kind of give it a little bit of balance there. And I inked up both the piece in the bottom right hand corner as well as the one in the upper left hand corner, and then glued them down. I realized that that wasn't in frame, so there you can finally see the bottom right hand corner, the stamping that I did on the brown paper, and then the bird. Then this next little bit here, I'm going to speed it up, and I just am putting some of this washi tape on the page to add a little bit more interest. Once I had the washi tape down where I wanted it, making sure I still had room to journal, I put some of my washi tapes away, and I got down um, my little photo boxes that contain my tiny ephemera pieces. And so I just kind of go through my different little containers, little photo containers, and look for some pieces that I just think might look nice on this page. And if you want to see how I organize this ephemera, I have a video where I labeled all of these. You can check that out. But I am just going to let you all kind of watch and see what I end up picking out of these boxes and put on the page. And I really appreciate you all joining me today. And I will catch you all on the next video. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Love you all. Bye.